Welcome to the simulation of one feed by milk group. Initially, I want to orient you how the hardware is set up and what hardware is necessary. And then I'll also show you how to feed some cows with the system. For your orientation, we have a mixer simulated right here. It has a milk scale unit that is wired up in between the scale head and the load cells. We're simulating load cells with this dial in this presentation. Everything is plug and play, there's no wiring, so it's a very simple installation. Now over here on the loader side, right here, we also have a milk scale unit, which is just wired up through a 12-volt cigarette lighter. The two milk scale units, the one on the loader and one on the mixer, are in constant communication through a mesh network. And then they connect via Bluetooth to the tablet or the phone. You can use any mobile device to run this app. Then the phone or tablet in turn then sends the data to the cloud through Wi-Fi or through a network. So to start a load, you simply click on Loads right here on the app. You select the load that you have scheduled. So in this case, I'm going to pick the heifer ration. It gives you a quick overview of what this is going to be, what's going to be added, and then you can just hit Start Mix. Now you will be prompted, do you want to start in a mixer or do you want to start in a loader? In this case, I'm going to pick loader. Now if you watch the loader milk scale box, it will have a blue light flickering here in just a moment. And once this indicator blinks right here, it tells you that it's directly connected to the milk scale box and will start recording weight. So now I'm going to add weight here. And it gives you a progress bar of how much you completed for this individual ingredient. And then once you get close to the end, it will give you a warning by turning the whole background of the app yellow right here. If you complete the load, so it will turn red and beep. And then it auto advances to the next ingredient. So you keep adding weight, and you can set the thresholds for the warning however you like, at whatever pound level. And this is how you go through to make the mix. Go ahead and add the last ingredient here. If you go over like I just did, it will record all those deviations. Now the mix is completed. Now you have to start the drop. Once I click Start Drop, it will automatically connect to the mixer wagon right here through Bluetooth again. And now it just prompts me pen 11 needs to get 2,200 pounds delivered. So I go to this pen, start the drop. It gives me a nice progress bar. And as you can tell, this scale is still working as well. You get the same interface with the warning. And then once you complete it, and then it goes to the last pen. So that's how easy it is to make a load and deliver the load, and then you can either go back and see how accurate you were with your load summary, or you can go back to make the next load on the list.